Generally, one of the main things that need to be kind of agreed is the organization actually having a shared goal, right? Because I think one of the challenges that most organizations face, particularly see that with the companies that I work with, is that we always seem to be kind of hitting each other between an approach that is based on bureaucratic accountability and another one that is focused on adding operational value from the work of security, right? And when you've got people usually dealing with the roles completely separate, which is the normal thing that happens in organizations, you have this constant headbutting between them, right? Usually because people that are tasked with the bureaucratic accountability may not really understand the constraints and trade-offs that drive the engineering decisions. Right. So I think that part on getting an organization or a leader that has an interest and an understanding of both spaces actually puts someone in the position to understand what those goal conflicts are and make informed decisions based on the goals that they signed up to the organization, right? As opposed to the systems of bureaucratic accountability that they have put in place on, now you need to sign this risk here because you're doing something that I think goes against a bad practice or is not a good practice, right? And it kind of sidesteps that process. But obviously, one of the things that I would say to that is there are probably not that many individuals out there with a level of skill that is required to do this job well, right? To have those two hats on. So that may be it probably doesn't make it a universally applicable pattern, but I think that in some situations, in particular contexts, it's probably the best thing to do for a lot of places.